Arthritis and joint pains can stop the life in its track. My mission is simple: to help patients walk again and live again. My journey began at All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, as a registrar in orthopedics, and later I taught there as faculty for almost 8 years. With over 33 years of experience, I've operated over 15,000 joint replacements, both knee and hip. Always guided with one principle: to operate the patient when indicated and operate him very well. At Moolchand, I use latest implants and robotic assistance for all my hip and knee replacements, ensuring minimal invasive surgery and faster recovery. Whether he is a young athlete suffering with the sports injuries or an elderly suffering with arthritic pains, my goal is simple: to ensure mobility, independence, and confidence of the patient. When you choose Moolchand, you choose world-class orthopedics, excellence which is affordable, and a team that treats you like a family. Together, we'll put you back on your feet and back in your life.